Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel and PSLE Math question number 87. In her class, Joyce is the 20th pupil from the top and bottom of the class list. 如果说在这个班里边有一个班级名册 ，OK，Joyce 她是从上往下数的是第20个，从下往上数，从 bottom 往上数它也是第20个。所以说我们有一个 list top and bottom here，OK。那么我们的 Joyce 它在这里 ，Joyce 不管怎么数它都是 20s。那么 Joyce 本身它自己是占一个位置的 ，OK。And before Joyce, there will be 20 minus 1, 19 pupils. Also, after Joyce will be 20 minus 1, 19 pupils. And the question is, how many pupils are there in her class? 很简单嘛 ，19 plus 1 plus Joyce.Don't forget Joyce. Plus 19. That is 19 times 2 plus 1. 39. Total number of pupils 39. OK， 这就是我们的排队问题，很简单。但是你要知道的叫做什么？20s from the top and 20s from the bottom. Don't forget Joyce. 记得要加上1，加上 Joyce, okay? And that is all for this question. This is Teacher J. I will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.